It's all things real, yeah, you know the vibe. Yeah. Beauty, confidence, watch me come alive. Yeah. From bad face to beat, yeah, we glowing bright. Let's get into this look tonight. Blend it, glow it, take your time. Every look on it just right. Face beat, glow complete. Tell me what you think of me. Like, comment, share with me. All things on the bed. It's all things real, yeah, you know the vibe. Yeah. Beauty, confidence, watch me come alive. Yeah. From bad face to beat, yeah, we glowing bright. Let's get into this look tonight. Blend it, glow it, take your time. Every look on it just right. Face beat, glow complete. Tell me what you think of me. Like, comment, share with me. All things on the bed. I've been holding on too tight, trying to make it all go right, saying words I didn't mean, still afraid of what I can't see. I hear you calling me deeper now, but I don't know how. So Lord, let your will be done, even when it's not what I want. Take control, I'm giving up. Every plan I thought was enough. If it breaks me just to make me new, then Lord, I trust you. I was fighting for my way, but you saw a better place. Oh, in the silence I can hear. You've been with me through the fear. Not my will, but yours. Not my plans, but yours. I surrender all. I surrender all. Not my will, but yours. I've been standing on the surface, calling out your name, saying that I trust you, but I never really changed. I kept running to you only when I needed saving grace, but I never stayed long enough to feel your presence in that place. You were calling me closer, but I stayed where it's safe. I heard your voice whisper, but I turned away. Take me deeper, I don't wanna stay the same. No more surface, no more playing in your name. Break me, shape me, let your will remain. Take me deeper till I'm rooted in your ways. Mm. Yeah. Late night, heart heavy, can't let go. Holding on to something God already let go. Tears fall, silence in the room. Love turned cold, didn't see it coming soon. You were everything, now you're gone. Still replaying where it all went wrong. Pain speaks louder than the truth. Now I'm fighting thoughts I never knew. Jealousy creeping in slow, losing control. I didn't know what I was holding would break me down. This is pain in disguise. Broken hearts turn into headlines. One wrong move, one moment too far, and now we're left with scars. Let it go before it takes your soul. Some doors close 'cause God says no. Healing is the only way. Don't let pain lead you astray. Clouded mind, can't think straight. Anger building, it's getting too late. Nobody sees what's inside. Smiling face, but I'm dying inside. Trying to numb what I feel, but nothing out here can heal what's real. I needed help, I stayed quiet. Now everything around me's silent. But God said, come to me. You don't have to carry this weight. You're not too far gone. It's not too late. Let it go, give it all to me. I can give your heart peace. You don't have to lose it all just to be set free. This ain't the end, there's more to your life. Hey, you don't have to live in the night. Hey, one deep breath, one step away from a brand new day. Let it go, let your heart be healed. God's love is the only thing real. Healing is the better way. You don't have to fade away. Healing's better than headlines. Peace is worth your life. Let it go. Let God restore your mind. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We had plans for everything, every dream, every little thing. Calendar full, days running fast. Didn't see love slipping past. Same room but miles away. Things we didn't even say. No fights, just quiet space. Losing you without a trace. We were living but disconnected. So close but feeling neglected. Somewhere in the middle of it all, we forgot how we used to fall. Make time for me, even when you can't see what we're losing in between. All the things we think we need. Make time, don't let it fade. Love like a stone, just stay. Choose me intentionally. Make time for you and me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sitting there with everything planned, but you weren't in my hand. friends, all these goals, all these dreams, what do they mean without we? So I stopped, took a breath, felt your heart through the stress. Not a big move, just one line. Are you free tonight? We started small, just conversation. No phones, just dedication. In that moment something changed, we found our way back again. We made time for love, put nothing above what we almost let go of. Now we holding on strong. Make time, day by day, even when life's in the way. Choose you intentionally. Make time for you and me. It don't have to be perfect, no. We just gotta grow through the highs and lows. Stay close, stay close. Now we're making time for love. Nothing above what we built between us. Now we know who we are. Make time every day, don't let it slip away. Choose love intentionally. Make time for you and me. It's not about perfect timing, it's about choosing each other every time. Make time, don't let it fade. Choose me, we found our It's not It's not about perfect timing, it's about choosing each other every time. Don't let it fade. Choose me, we found our way. Steam on the mirror, white rope hanging low, candlelight flicker, watch my breathing slow. Warm hands on my shoulders, every night let's go. Thoughts like scattered papers falling to the floor. Let it melt, melt, melt away. Every little weight I carried in today. In this quiet, I feel safe and soft again. Wash it off my face. All the lines of running in a losing race. I walk out lighter than I ever came. Melt it all away. Melt it all away. Cool stones on my forehead, lavender in the air, water on my lashes, fingers in my hair, clay mask on my trouble, brush strokes slow and kind, towels warm as summer, sunrise on my mind. Let it melt, melt, melt away. You opened doors for me, even when I couldn't see. You opened doors for me, yeah, you made a way for me. Move me out the way, let you have your way. You opened doors for me, yeah, you opened doors for me. Sometimes I feel lost in everything I see, wanting what I think I need, but you said no, not right now. There's something there that'll take.
I hope you enjoyed today's full face transformation, from start to finish to this final glow. If you stay with me to the end, you already know you're part of the vibe. Make sure you come back for more, because we're just getting started. Now tell me in the comments, what makeup tutorial do you want to see next? Soft glam, full glam, date night, natural everyday look? And if you have any questions at all, drop them below. I'm answering them. When there's a look to create, you already know I got some content.